Now, the problem with these kind of imports, I'll tell you, the problem with this kind of import is that, every time you need to have the reference name here. Look at that. The file is referenced every time. It's like I told you that I want to buy something from the particular shop, maybe electronic shop like calculator, mobile phones, headsets, speakers, whatever it is. So now what I'm telling is that I'm asking that guy to go to the shop and buy me every particular things individually. That he is going to the shop and get me the laptop first time, and then again he's going to the shop and he's getting me the calculator, and again is so it's happening that every time he's traveling. Same thing applies here. If you look at the line number 9 and 11 here, you're trying to have the reference of the particular file again and again. So what happened ultimately? It will going to consume a lot of memory. So now you're going to have a better way of writing the code. How to do it? Instead of you referencing this way, you refer this way. From Python file 1, import my data, comma, import my function. That means while you're trying to have the reference to that particular file itself, you're telling your Python to get those content. So now what happened? During at line number 13 itself, the data are retrieved. So now what you can do, you can just execute like a normal base. You need to put import from file, import these two. So when you run, you need to add a path because that is in separate path, right? So let me have this. Because for the example that I showed, I kept the file in separate folder, right? So I need to add that as a system path. Okay. Now when you run, look at that. It works fine. So this is the better way to use it.